Welcome to DC Economics. So today I'm going to take you coherently on about standard deviation of the discrete random variable. So we are going to look on how we can calculate the standard deviation for the discrete random variable. So standard deviation is the square root of variance. So in a simple way, we tend to find out the variance, the expected mean, then we square out the variance to obtain the standard deviation. So normally the discrete random variable take the values that are countable. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to etc. So in order you can understand how we calculate, let's look at an example. So as we can apply the formula of the standard deviations in solving the discrete random variable. For example, given the table below of the discrete continuous variable, we have the values of x 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4. And we have the probability of y, that is 0, c, 2c, c, and 10c. So you're required to find out the values of c, b, the expected mean, c, the variance, and d, we're required to solve the standard deviation. Now let's go to solution. Since we have the probability of y and we have the probability of x, now for our case now, we need to find first the values of c, so as we can be capable of finding expectation mean and later the variance and standard deviation. So we take out 0 plus c plus 2c plus c plus 10 is equal to 1, since the total number of probabilities is equal to 1, does not exceed 1. So when you divide it to be 14c is equal to 1, divided by 14 both sides, you obtain the value of c, which is equal to 1 over 14. So our c will be equal to 1 over 14, and we times 1 over 14, and 10 times 1 over 14. So our table will appear in the new form like this. So when we plug in the values, what we'll obtain here would be equals to 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 41, and 5 over 7, as you can observe. So since we have the values of c, which is equal to 1 over 14, now it is capable to find the expected mean. So the expected mean value, to find out the expectation of x, and that is equal to summation of x times probability of x. So the expectation of x is equal to 0 times 0, then plus 1 times 1 over 14, then plus 2 times 1 over 2, then plus 3 times 1 over 14, then times 4 over 5 over 7. So when we times out the expectation of x, the expectation of x, that will mean that the mean value, the expected mean, will be 0 plus 115 plus 2 over 4 plus 12 over 14 plus 2 over 6 over 17. So the expectation mean value will be equals to 24 over 7. So this is the expected mean value, that will be equals to 24 over 7. Now after taking that, now after understanding that, now it is possible to find out what we are looking for. Let's find the variance. So the variance of x is equal to expectations of x squared minus expected mean value squared. So we need to find the expectation of x squared, that is given by taking out the summation of x squared times probability of x. So let's you find the expectation of x squared by adding another table. Develop new table for x squared, that is x squared. So take out x times x, that is 0 plus times 0, 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 4 is 16. So expectation of x squared is equal to taking probability of x, probability of y times x squared, that will be 0 plus 0 plus 1 over 1 over 14, then 4 times 1 over 7, then plus 9, 1 over 14, then plus 16 times 5 over 7. So what you obtain here, the expectation of x squared will be equals to, when you sum up, you'll obtain the value that is equal to 12 5 over 7. So that would be your expectation of x squared. Now, since we find the expectation of x squared, it is possible now to find the variance by plugging into their formula. So the variance of x will be given by taking out So the variance of x will be equals to taking out summation of x squared. So the variance will be equals to taking out 12, 5 over 7 minus its expected mean, that is 24 over 7 squared. So the variance will be equals to 47 over 49. So since we find the variance, it is possible to find the standard deviation. So the standard deviation, this is equal to the square root of variance. So we take, it will be now, standard deviation is equal to 47 over 49, then squared. So it's squared 47 over 49. That will give out 0.979. So that will be the answer for the standard deviation. And that's marked the end. This is DC Economics. Don't forget to subscribe and watch on other videos. I wish you a nice moment. Bye bye.